There comes a very panicked Stegosaurus.
Oh no!
Trike and Stego are floating upon the lava. Please help, save them.
The two-wheeled dinos are terrific, and both the dinos quickly arrive at the spot. Let me throw that log of wood. The log did not help. The little dinos are still floating upon a small lava piece. Stegosaurus quickly thinks of an idea, then marches back to tracks.
Little dinos are in danger. Come with me.
The dinos quickly run for the rescue, while the little dinos are terrified they may fall. The green dino is trying all possible ways to save them. T-Rex throws a stilt upon the lava, and Stegosaurus gets upon it. The green dino quickly saves him from there. Stegosaurus is glad. As for now, little Trike remained unrescued and is still floating upon the lava stone. T-Rex throws a log of wood onto the lava, and Trike climbs upon it. He is still terrified about how to get out. Meanwhile, there came the Stegosaurus with the Brachiosaurus, and he quickly rescued Trike. The saga ends.